Hey everybody, and welcome back to SoCo Customs. We know you've been working hard all year to give an interest-free loan to the government, and how did they repay you? They only partially shut down the government, so you couldn't start calling dibs on tanks or anything. That's how it works, right? We know you feel underappreciated, so we've been working hard with our distributors to make sure to get you the best deals possible. Come on, Chris, I know you can do better. Well, what can you get us on the American Trucks exclusive 26x14s? Come on, Chris, give me something I can put some sauce on. Come on. All right. Now these deals will be changing from now until the end of April. So once you get your tax refund in hand, give us a call, and we'll be sure to tell you what deals we are currently running. Here at SoCo, we appreciate y'all.